Hello, in this part I will talk about spherical coordinate system and its differential length, area and volume. So a differential volume element in spherical coordinate system is shown in figure. You can see in this figure actually differential volume element in spherical coordinate system, and this is the constructed by increasing r theta phi by dr d theta d phi respectively. So what we observed that the distance between two spherical surfaces of radius r and r plus dr is dr. You can see from here. Second thing is the distance between two cones generated angles theta and theta plus d theta is r d theta. You can see here, this is r d theta. Third point is the distance between two radial planes at angle phi and phi plus d phi is r sin theta d phi. So the differential lengths are dr r d theta and r sin theta d phi. So the differential length TL is equal to unit vector AR dr plus unit vector A theta r d theta unit vector A phi r sin theta d phi. So the expression of differential surface, the differential surface expression is given here. Differential surface ds equal to, you can see here, ds is equal to plus minus r square sin theta d theta unit vector AR plus minus r sin theta dr d phi unit vector A theta plus minus r d theta dr unit vector A phi. And the differential volume dV is equal to dr r d theta r sin theta d phi. So dV is equal to r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. This is the differential volume. So I have summarized all parameters of these spherical coordinates in tabular form. So here you can see that the differential lengths are is equal to r d theta and r sin theta d phi. Total differential length is dl equal to unit vector ar dr plus unit vector a theta r d theta plus unit vector a phi r sin theta d phi. And differential areas are r square sin theta d theta, r sin theta dr d phi and r d theta dr. The total differential surface areas r square sin theta d theta unit vector ar plus r sin theta d theta d phi unit vector a theta plus r d theta dr unit vector a phi, and differential volume is dv equal to r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. So these are the differential length, differential area and differential volume in case of spherical coordinate system.